In this home, history lingers in the grain of every beam, a testament to the artisans of the early 1900s. Their skill, now rare, bestowed upon us inlays in the hardwood floors, a craft nearly lost to time. Here, the warmth is not just a matter of temperature, but of presence, a welcoming atmosphere that wraps around you like a cherished blanket. Custom woodwork, bearing the marks of genuine craftsmanship, frames our daily lives. These walls, they do not merely stand, they hold stories, laughter, and the silent moments of contemplation. Within them, the light filters through, catching the subtle beauty of wood and stone, creating a play of shadows and warmth that changes with the passing of each day. This home is more than a structure, it is a sanctuary where every corner is imbued with memories. The irreplaceable inlays underfoot are not just decoration, but a bridge to an era when attention to detail was paramount. In the quiet, one can almost hear the echoes of the past, the soft murmuring of those who once walked these halls. This space is not just about the physical beauty it offers, but the intangible feeling it evokes, a sense of belonging, of continuity, and of timeless elegance that resonates through the ages.